Good morning. Today we will discuss circle. So, some basic things all of you know. This is center, this is radius, circumference equals to 2 pi r, where pi equals to 22 by 7, and area equals to pi r square. Okay, so these are simple formulae, all of you know. We will discuss some tricky problems on circle. We're not going for this pi r square formula or 2 pi r formula. Some tricky problems like, say, an OR is designed as a square of side 22 meter. Now again, this square is made of a shape of a circle. Then what will be the radius of this circle and what will be the area thereof? So in this case, this is also a simple problem, but you just have to use two formulae. That is, for square, this is 22 meter side, so the periphery or circumference is nothing but 4 into 22, that is 88 meter. Now you apply this for circle, that is 2 pi r equals to 88 meter, 2 into 22 by 7 into r equals to 88 meter, plus multiplication 88 into 7 by 2 into 22, so it is 44, again 2, 14 meter. You get the r. You can determine 2 pi r square, whatever is needed. So this is one tricky problem. Now another problem, some students face difficulty in this problem, are of semicircles. In case of semicircle, you can see this is half of the circle. Now it has also radius r. The semicircle has a curved surface and a straight line. A curve and a straight line. So if this is the full circle, it has the periphery 2 pi r. So you have made it half. So naturally it becomes pi r. The curved surface becomes pi r. But the straight line, it is r and r, that is 2r. So in case of semicircle, you can write that periphery or circumference is pi r plus 2r. If you take r common, this is pi plus 2. So 22 by 7 plus 2, it becomes 7 to 14, 36 by 7 r. This is the formula of circumference for a semicircle. But in case of area, this is just half of the circle. So this is nothing but pi r square by 2. So pi r square by 2 is the area of semicircle, and pi r plus 2r, which eventually comes 36 by 7 r, is the circumference or periphery of a semicircle. So you can get some tricky problems on this formula also. Now another tricky problem that students face difficulty These are two types. One is a circle circumscribing a square and a square circumscribing a circle. Very common problem for class 7, 8, 9 and 10. Not so difficult if you understand, but very difficult if you cannot understand the problem. Just see at the diagrams. Here the circle has circumscribed the square. So you can see that the diagonal of the square is the diameter of the circle. Diagonal of square equal to dia of circle. Okay. So if you take A as side of the square, diagonal becomes root 2A. Isn't it? This is a known formula. And dia of circle is nothing but 2R. If you take this as R. Okay. So root 2A equals to 2R. This is the relation of a circle circumscribing a square, where A is the side of the square and R is the radius of the circle. But in case of the square circumscribing the circle, you can see that the diameter is equal to the side. So A equals to D. This is the relation between the side and the diameter of the circle. So be very careful whether the circle is circumscribing the square or the square is around the circle. You have to get the relation accordingly. I am putting some problems in the comment box on this formulae. You try to solve it. We will discuss in the next class. Thank you.